scared me. What are you doing in my room?
You belong to me.
You.
No!
What are you doing? What are you doing?
When he tries it, pick up a knife and stab him.
I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stab him so hard I'll have no regrets stabbing him.
Why would I want to kill my husband? Money, greed, selfishness. That's why people commit murder.
That's what you have to say for killing your friend. You can't prove this. You can't prove this. I love Emmanuel and I would never kill him.
I need you until Josh hears this.
It's your word against mine. I would never kill my husband, never.
Listen to me. I'm a lawyer. I know how a judge thinks. Okay? If you team up with me, we'll not need to kids.
No, please. I beg you. I'm scared. But don't do this to me. I beg you. I know nothing about this. You killed him. You did.
Listen, I know you're very dumb and smart. It's unfortunate it happened this way. I didn't get to kill him. Stay here. Don't try to do anything stupid. Go right outside and come back. You hear me?
What have I done? What have I done? What crime did I do? What fate is this? Never knew that love could be a curse. Oh, never knew someday things would turn around. I've been battered against so many cries. My life is shattered by the man I love. Oh, it's always for tears. It's always for tears. The hard times for widow. It's always for tears. It's always to cry. It's always to cry. My heart's torn in pieces. Always to cry. I'm so down with tears. So down with tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears.
Welcome, sir. Good. What can I offer you, sir?
Get me a cold bottle of Henneken and give these gentlemen whatever they want to drink.
These guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can have something for yourself.
That's sir. Yeah. Oh, thank you very much, sir. I'm grateful. Thank you, sir.
The drink not cool, bring it here. So, tell me, what is under there?
Sir, here's the drink.
Yeah, thank you. Don't worry. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Must appear like a cold-blooded murderer, but it's not true. I was just enraged. I was jealous, and heaven knows it has gotten to a point where I could do anything to hurt Noel. But I never thought of murder. It's either I use what I have against her, or I face a murder case.
Hey June, what's up? I hope you guys are not missing me. I'm out, I'm having a drink.
What? How can Nova be dead? Come on, it's not possible. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Listen, you know what? You know what? You can't be alone, alright? You just need to call a friend. Stay with a friend, alright? I'm on my way right now. Yeah. Listen, just calm down. Just calm down. I'll be with you in a jiffy. Alright. Okay then.
Proceed. I hope so no one at all.
I just got a shocking news. Armed robbers went to my house, killing my friend and the gate man. Can you imagine that?
That is mean and wicked.
Exactly. That's why I have to run along to find out exactly what's happening. Now I'll tell the waiter to give you guys something to drink. Waiter!
Don't worry. Take this easy, Sorry, Well, arrest that drink. What are you doing? Arrest the drink. Hey! Sorry,
Now I'm truly scared. I don't know if I'm walking into a trap or if Joan is still in shock. I wonder if she's ready to implicate herself. No, listen, all I need is just one night. One night. Then it will not be too late for me to know if Joan will back off.
I've got a friend, but I'm a better friend. Oh, my friend is my brother. My brother so dear to me, but in my stead he took my lady. The only woman I've sworn to love. I am hurt. I want.
Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me!
June, it's Gil.
Ask him to get away from me!
Come on, relax.
Yeah, it's alright. I think she's still in shock.
June, are you sure you don't need a doctor?
No! I don't need a doctor! I don't want to see this! It's disgusting!
Hey, Joan, just calm down, alright? You're scaring me. Well, stop acting funny. Except you need us to take you to a psychiatrist. Do you?
Get him away from me. Ask him to leave. Ask him to leave.
It's alright, I'll leave.
Relax. I just gave her a tranquilizer and she has dozed off. I'm very sure she'll be fine when she's awake. Are you getting yourself drunk?
No. Why?
There's this scary look on your face.
Listen, I just lost my friend and his wife is behaving funny towards me. I should be worried.
I understand. You are the man of the house and you should not show any sign of weakness. Tell me the truth. Did you have any misunderstanding with June lately?
No. Why? Did she mention something to you?
No, not really. It's just that she reacted funny when you walked in. She resented your presence.
You just said it yourself. She's still in shock.
You don't need this. I'm thinking of taking her to my house. Because I think Noel's death still affects her in this house.
Did she suggest that?
No, at all. Well, it's just that you're the man of the house. I'm just asking for your opinion.
Well, I'm as confused as you are. So if you ask me now, I'll tell you for the sake of the police and others, let us remain here for a while.
Okay. Whatever you say goes. Let me just go in and see her. For this, don't touch it again.
I'm really in trouble. In fact, I've been in trouble ever since I met Joan. I still remember our first encounter. It was just like yesterday.
phone.
I've got a friend, but I'm a better friend. Oh, my friend is my brother, a brother so dear to me. But in my head, he took my lady, the only woman I've sworn to love. I am hurt, I want my baby. I'm doing all this to get her back. Oh, it should be me, holding you, holding you, holding you, my love. It should be me, loving you, baby, loving you, my love. It should be me, hugging you, hugging you, hugging you, my love. It should be me, kissing you, baby, kissing you, my love. One step at a time, what goes up must surely come down. I'll follow you till I see my baby is mine. No one can stop the fire that's burning because of you. No one can know the way.
Manuel! Oh. Look at you, lipstick all over you. No wonder you weren't picking my calls.
Calls? Did you call?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Sorry. What is it about, man?
Listen. I have found her.
Found her?
Yes.
Hi, girl. What's going on?
Said he has found her.
Found her?
Don't ask me. Ask him.
If by her you mean a girl, then I am definitely interested. Because we all wish you find your own girl and stop sulking each time I'm making out my guy.
Gil, go ahead, let's hear it.
Okay, first, you promise you will not lie. Yeah.
Okay, I promise.
On my honor.
Good. Listen, I saw this very extremely beautiful girl. Very beautiful. Then something happened to me.
I know the feeling. I felt it when I met Neil. Knew instantly I was in love.
Ready? Then you know exactly what I'm talking about. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Because, look here. This girl. Immediately I saw the girl. There was this warm, sensational feeling that just ran through my spine. My heart skipped. And guess what? I missed a step and tumbled down the staircase.
You did?
Yes, I did, just like in the movies.
Now, this is becoming even more romantic. A little bit of danger and love.
Come on. Do you think it's funny?
No. It's thrilling. You've never talked about a woman before.
Never.
While I was there, on the floor, then she came running over to me, giving me a hand. Oh, I just smell her perfume. Wow, the bright smile. The smile that I've never seen in a woman.
This is even better than any romantic novel I've ever read. Ever. Okay, what happened next?
Like a hero, I held the pains I felt. And then I stood up. And then I excused myself. I went outside.
Oh shit. You just spoiled the excitement.
Totally.
You mean you didn't exchange names, contacts?
No, just wait a minute, okay? Just wait a minute, let me finish the story.
Go ahead.
Alright, okay then. Okay, after I went outside, I took my phone. Yes, it was when I started calling you, but you didn't pick your phone because I needed some tips from you. You get it? Then, while I was standing there, she came out. She was standing right there, and I told myself, girl, this is it. Go for the kill. And then, immediately, I took a step. He came out.
Who came out?
I don't know. Maybe your boyfriend or some other person, but I'm sure she's not married.
So what happened next?
I kissed her.
Please. Let's go.
Hey!
Kill.
What do you guys do? You guys say you never laugh. What's the matter with you?
What? You're always reading. When did you ever find time to relax?
Get your hands off me. Oh, have you forgotten I'm a final year law student? And besides, my exam is just around the corner.
Yeah, final year. Anyway, I was just wondering,
Wondering about what?
do you ever have wet dreams?
What? What kind of question is that? Anyway, I don't.
Then what do you do? Jack up in the bathroom?
Okay, now tell me exactly what you're hitting at.
Well, considering the fact that you have no girlfriend and you're not gay, because I know you're always peeping in and listening whenever I'm making up my girl.
Okay, let's just say I've not seen the right girl to arrest my attention, that's all.
Yeah, right. Except for the one that belongs to another. Who didn't even notice you, aside from show pity?
Okay, so you came here to mock me, right? No, tell me.
No, I am here to change all that. It's about time you get laid.
Laid? With who, you? Oh, come on, you know my type.
Me? For crying out loud. Relax. I know exactly your time. Honey, step in. Gilbert, this is my girlfriend, Amaka. Amaka, that's Gilbert, my best friend. Yep. The first girl in the whole world.
Exactly the description. You look cute and lovely, you know. Yeah.
What is his deal? Like, what? Girl, you need to stay right here till whenever he comes back. You know what we talk about now? Just need to go anyway, anyhow. Of course I do.
Elizabeth, what do you always find funny?
Nothing. I guess I'm just getting drunk. And Tony.
See what I'm saying? I like it when she's high and dripping.
Oh my god, you guys are putting ideas into my head. So, what do you say about that?
Say, about what?
About us, of course. Getting down together.
About who getting down together? Wait a minute, what's funny here?
Gosh, Lizzie, why did you tell me this dude here is a clown? Oh, gosh, what a bore.
No, you're wrong here, Amaka. You're wrong. Look, Gil doesn't respond easily to women, but when he does, he's a stallion.
Oh my god, it's Todd?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, honey, I'm so sorry. Why didn't you tell me that? I'm calling you a bore. Oh, so sorry. I'm ready to be patient till whenever you're willing, okay?
You know what? I'm done here.
Honey, you can't leave me here now.
No more reading of those your law books today.
No excusing yourself to, take a stroll when I get down with Elizabeth.
Yeah. Once we get home, we are locking you and Amaka up in your room.
My friend, today you will be late.
Are you sure this guy got a dick?
Well, I've seen him peeing, but I can't guarantee the size.
Yes. I'll see you guys later, alright?
Come over.
You? You mean we guessed last night? Drinking?
I couldn't sleep. Just drinking.
Gil, we lost a friend and a husband, and we cannot afford to lose you. I mean, how can you be drinking like this? Huh? How do you want June to be looking at you? You have to make her understand that you can take care of her in the absence of her husband.
I've heard you. I promise. I will do just that. Alright.
Right now, I don't know what the problem is, but actually, I think she is really pissed with you. She is so upset with you. But you have to correct that impression. Because I think she thinks you cannot take care of her in the absence of her husband.
Maybe I wasn't around to protect her husband, that's why.
Perhaps. Meanwhile, I have to go dress up for work. But I'll see you guys immediately I'm back from work.
Let me see you.
Lousy pretenders to come into this compound. And always remember I love you the rest of you, okay? No matter what. And take care of yourself in June.
Let me open the fridge.
Your friend, my husband. You killed the gate man who did nothing to you. Nothing. No, I will kill you. I'll let you suffer slowly and then die.
I understand how you feel, okay? But I'm in a worse situation right now.
Don't you dare preach to me. You have no conscience. None whatsoever. You have none. You lack a conscience.
Let us not allow sentiments to becloud our thoughts.
Your thoughts, not mine. I was in shock. That was why I accepted your evil machination to cover up an atrocity you committed. I will go back to the police and tell them the truth.
No, do not.
Yes. What would you do? You killed me the way you killed my husband and the gate man.
The world's death was an accident, okay? I reacted because I was afraid of what you saw me doing. Wanted to sleep with you.
Rape! That's what it's called, murderer! Rape! My God! You should be ashamed of yourself! Trying to rape your friend's wife! He trusted you!
You hear me? Can't you see I was trying to save you from the hand of Hangman? Can't you see it, or have you forgotten?
Let the police decide that! I will not let you kill my husband and force me to take the rap! No way!
In that case, it's your word against my word. And besides, come to think of it, the evidence points at you. See, the court carries a judgment not based on sentiments, but on fact and evidence. Okay? I go in for Obi's death, yeah? But then you get to know that we are both negligent in this.
I hate you. I resent you, Gil. I resent your breath. I resent your face. I resent everything about you. I resent you.
Just in case you want to be very foolish enough to go to the police and run your mouth, listen to this.
I didn't want to tell you he's been beating me up. What? Next time, when he tries to pick up a knife and stab him. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stab him so hard I'll have no regrets stabbing him. Rubbish.
No! No!
What are you thinking? You think I'll be foolish enough not to have a second copy of this evidence in a safe place? Is that what you're thinking? No, you're wrong.
This is not right. You know it's not right. You know it's wrong. You know I'm innocent. Why are you doing this, Gil?
Just in case you are thinking on stabbing me from the back, I left instructions on my bank that in case anything happens to me, the content I left in the vault should be handed over to the police.
No. It's not true.
What have I done? What have I done? What crime did I do? What fate is this? Never knew love could be a curse. Oh, never knew someday things would turn around.
You have to put away the hate and resentment you have in your mind for me. And you also have to carry yourself properly after Noel's bearer. And you hire me as a lawyer. Then the both of us proceed to claim the 100 million naira life insurance. Don't look at me like that. I'm not done yet.
I will do no such thing.
You will. Because you have no choice, no option. Anyway, I'm not done yet. Listen. After which you resign from the office, open your business with me. Which of course I'm going to be the director. Yeah. And then if the public get to know us as pair, we get married, settle down, and have children. Something you couldn't have for him.
Let me go!
Listen to me. I don't want to hurt you, you hear me? All I have for you is nothing but love.
Let me go!
Oh, dude.
Get away from me!
It will be stupid enough for you to allow your neighbors who are still in shock of the gruesome death and suspicion to everyone. You put yourself into this. You and your bosom friend India. Listen to me. I'll have no regret tearing off your clothes and seeing your lovely body. You hear me?
I will not be part of your demonic act.
Just behave yourself!
What have I done? What have I done? What crime did I do? What fate is this? Never knew love could be a curse. Oh, never knew someday things would turn around. I've been battered.
I thought you said this house now holds the creeps that you would want to move into my house for the meantime.
Yes, I changed my mind. Many people will be coming here to console me. Angel, won't it be all that I moved out of my husband's house?
But considering the fact that your husband's death is at an early stage, no one is going to frown at that. Besides, he was murdered here.
I know. I was scared, but now I'm strong. I remain here. Besides, I won't be alone.
But you do want to be left alone with Gil under the same roof?
That was before. I no more bear grudges against
Hi.
I thought you were asleep.
I was. But the thought of leaving June all by herself wouldn't allow me.
Have you heard from the police?
No. Have you?
No. Was I expecting that? There have been so many unsolved robberies and killings. Gil, you take care of June, won't you?
You see, June is not only my late friend's wife, but she's also my good friend. And it's my duty to protect and take good care of her. Right, June?
I'm most delighted to hear that. Honestly, I've been very, very worried.
Come in. Hold on. Damn parents. Just what I needed. Can I just stay away? Fuck.
Bad news just this morning.
Mama, it's alright, okay? You are welcome. Let's go inside. Oh, sorry. You are welcome, sir. You are welcome.
Oh, my son. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Thank you. Where is my daughter?
Oh, she's inside. She's inside.
Yeah, she's inside.
I hope she's alright. Because she can't handle a thing like this on her own.
Mama, I'm fine. I've been doing everything possible to comfort her, alright? She's fine. Let's just go inside. Let's go inside. She's fine.
Since I moved to this house, you always leaving the bedroom door open. And then it's either you are undressing or dressing. And even if you jerk and moan when making love to your late husband.
That's a habit and you know it.
You know it? How devil you when the right time comes.
Get away from me!
Now you put a smiling face on. Because your parents are downstairs. I want to meet you. Alright?
Get away from me!
Listen. I don't need this, alright? Good. Calm down.
having me.
June, my daughter. What a shocking news.
I don't understand why human beings are so wicked. They came, stole. Why spill blood? Are you sure they were not sent?
Mama, you have to take it easy. You've not been feeling fine.
What did your innocent husband do to them? Oh God, that gentleman, my son-in-law. If it is a true God that I worship, his killers will die one after the other. They will suffer like the mother suffered to death. His blood which they spilled, we keep haunting them. And their own deaths will...
Mama, it's alright, okay? It's alright. You see, the police are working 24 hours around the clock to uncover the perpetrators and their cohorts, okay? I think our only prayer right now should be, let the soul of our dear brother and that great man rest in the bosom of the Lord.
That gentleman, he will always jump up anytime I'm visiting.
He's a very nice person.
Very, very nice man.
We have to stop talking about this. I don't want to remember, please. Let's stop talking about this.
It's alright, my daughter. It's just that you are too young to become a widow. And I'm so sad because you've not given us grandchildren.
Mama, Papa, please excuse me. I'll take my leave now. John, I'll be in my room.
I'm winning this game.
Huh?
Gay, where are you from?
I've been sorting out my problems.
Were you in a fight? Why is he always behaving this strange? Gil, how can you just abandon my friend that I brought for you and jumped out of the car without any explanations?
I just explained to you. Anyway, Amaka, I'm sorry, alright? Let me go and rest my head.
Does he always behave like this?
No. This is strange. Gil is a perfect example of a gentleman.
Look, I've always known him to be strange. I just thought it had to do with him not being able to get a woman.
No, he's my friend. Come on. He has never complained.
Look, I am a woman. I should know better. He is suppressing something inside, which means he could be violent.
No. Gil never fights, nor getting unnecessarily angry. But when he does, he could be destructive.
Babe, I better go meet him. He might be strange and shy, but I do know that something in him is yearning for a woman. Hope I'm safe.
No, I would have what? Is it because I showed you? Okay, you need to easy. We complete this game. You need to be done.
You seem not to like me.
I didn't say that, did I?
But your attitude is not welcoming. Do you like what you see? Come on. A really shy person. What do you want me? Just say so. I'll stop bothering you.
Okay.
Want to know whether everything is all right.
We're all right. We're all right. Tell them. Isn't that cool?
Yes. Yes.
Say it.
Oh yes.
We're not cool.
Yes. Oh yes.
That guy is an animal. He raped me severally. This is truly shocking. We had no idea. We thought it was some kind of a joke or something. Besides, you said so yourself. I was scared. He threatened to strangle me if I...
For God's sake, have you gone mad?
I'm sorry, I wasn't in control of my actions.
That's not an excuse. She was there for you. So you have no reason to hurt her.
I just said I'm sorry.
I am sorry is not enough. I swear, I will not let that guy get away with it. I won't. I won't. Lizzie, that guy has a problem. He's not normal. That is why we have to let everything go. Babe, I have known that bastard for some time now. He's a coward. Or tell me, which decent man would rather rape a girl who is readily available and willing? Tell me, who? That is why you have to let everything go. He cried all the night begging me. After having satisfied his animalistic urge.
No. I take serious exception to that. I take serious exception to be called an animal, okay? I know I've done wrong, but you guys forced her on me.
You're a bloody ingrate. Is this what you were saying? When Elizabeth went out of her way to arrange a babe for you.
Listen, I've always been on my own, okay? I've had problem with nobody, right? Amaka shouldn't have continuously teased me. She brought it on herself.
Do I really know you?
Are you the one looking for me?
Listen, I understand how
I don't know you. I don't know you at all. And you have no right, no reason to come to my house. How did you even get my house address? Listen, you have to leave before my father comes out.
Listen, I just want to say I'm sorry for whatever happened the other day.
I have no business with you. You have no right attacking my fiancé in public. No right at all.
Yeah, just want to say I'm so sorry. I wasn't thinking right. I just became alone.
Jealous, I presume? Fine. I understand that sometimes you have a crush on someone and then you go off limit. You should thank your stars that Demola is such a gentleman and wouldn't involve the police when he has the right to.
Yeah, I appreciate the fact, but it's difficult getting it out of my mind.
Tell me, mister, what do you want from me?
Friendship. I just want us to be friends, that's all.
Very well then. Friends we are. Can you please leave now? Please leave. How in Jupiter's cock did you get my address?
But I went at the salon and I asked 3 friends and then I told them I want to come and apologize to you.
Apology accepted. Please, I beg you for the third time to leave right now. I am not going to indulge you because I am so engaged and I love my fiancé so much. You have to leave, like right now. Please. Lord! Who are you? What incubators? Get away from me!
Hear me now.
Oh!
That guy doesn't deserve you. I'm the right person for you. Listen.
Oh, God
listen.
Christ.
John.
Get... Ah!
Look at you with your cheap check and love woman. Look, I'm all tired.
You can't like it. Information. It's guys that want those things for me. Go there. Go there. I am not going anywhere. Today, I will destroy everything in this house. I will destroy everything in this house.
Oh, gosh. Oh, shit. Get a hold of yourself, man. Look. Oh, what's this? The man has said to the problem. And you want me to have to take my things away? You should have allowed me to kill this girl. Hey! Oh, shit. Oh. Let me know what you guys are fighting.
Do you think she's gonna come back?
Not while you cannot control your foolish jealousy. I mean, why do you always like beating women for one lousy accusation or the other?
I can't help it. You know, the mere thought of her being with other men drives me mad.
Do you have proof? Do you?
You know, she makes strange calls, then goes out, you know, refuses to pick my calls, pretending she didn't see them, and other funny excuses, you know.
So, does that justify your actions? No, there could have been a better way.
Not with a whore. The only language a whore understands is discipline.
Well, she's not the first woman you've been hitting on.
Man, I truly care for this girl. Do you think that if I threw away my pride and go to her to beg, that she'll forgive me and come back?
Well, I don't know, okay, but I think it's a good start. Yeah.
Gil, you've been very strange of late. What's been eating you up, man?
Nothing. I'm cool.
We've been friends since secondary school. Junior secondary school for that matter. I can claim that I know you more than your parents. Hey, come on, boy. Tell me, what's been eating you up?
Hey, listen, okay? Let us find a way to win Elizabeth back, okay? She has been a very nice friend.
You're more important to me than Elizabeth. You're like a brother.
Noel, Oh, come on. I can't talk about it. It's alright.
Boy, you can trust my judgment. Do not be ashamed if you've done anything terribly bad. Tell me. I may just be of help.
You know, it's embarrassing though, but it's about a girl.
A girl?
Yeah.
This is becoming very interesting because women never bothered you.
That's the funny part of it. Because for the first time in my life, I think I'm falling in love.
Boy, yeah, you can be anything but falling in love. And I don't know.
There's always a first time. and it's killing me.
Serious?
Seriously. I've never been more serious in my life.
Falling in love with another man's woman.
Who doesn't really care a shit about me.
That's the beauty of life. How do you win her heart as a testament?
I don't have the finest idea, but I know I'm going to make her my wife in this world one after.
Then I'm gonna get my woman back, man. Shit.
Please stay your itchy hands away from hitting her.
Not if I can help it.
Yeah, that's the beauty of life.
We dream, we fantasize.
And when we succeed, we throw it all away and unleash the beast in us.
What will life be without adventure?
Nothing.
So we'll live by today.
Like tomorrow.
That's it. Woo!
That's she. Isn't she lovely?
Boy, man, a thing of beauty should not be appreciated from afar. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her, man.
Hi. Are you stalking me?
No, I just want to say hi to you.
I thought I warned you the last time to stay away from me.
Well, you actually warned me not to come to your house again.
That's the funny. As you can see, I'm in no mood for jokes, okay? You see this finger?
Yeah?
There used to be a ring there.
And what happened?
I lost it because of you.
I don't understand.
It means that Demola broke our engagement because of you.
But
Did I do anything wrong by helping you when God knows why you stumbled from the staircase?
Well, I actually fell because of you.
I don't see how.
You see, the thing is, no woman has ever freaked me like the way you've done. Yeah, and even though, yeah, I accept the fact that my attitude was a little childish and stupid, but come to think of it, that was a sufficient reason for your boyfriend to leave you like that.
Well, thank you very much. He had earlier warned me to stay the hell away from you.
Okay, I'm sorry. I just passed by to express myself to you.
But thank you very much. Can I go now?
There should be an eatery around here.
No, thank you, okay? And for the very last time, I'm warning you, stay the hell away from me. Stay away. Don't talk to me.
Sorry, man. Don't take this too hard.
Even if it's going to cost my life, she's the one I'm going to spend the rest of my life with.
I like your courage. Let me see how mine will go.
Good luck.
Joe, I say the guy cute. He cute well, but if you see this guy.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
How are you?
Oh, Lisbeth.
Excuse me. Thank God you noticed. It costs money to look like this. And I can't remember you spending a dime on me.
Whatever.
Yeah. As I was saying, this guy took me to this boutique. For the first time in my life, a guy asked me to pick whatever I wanted.
Really?
Not like some useless Oshofri whom I gave my heart and my body to.
Wait, Elizabeth. You mean he actually went to a boutique, bought so many clothes and shoes?
It did not just end there. He took me to this exotic restaurant and we ate a 5-course meal. Not like some useless human beings whom I managed smelly ice fished with. And they still had the mouth to call me a bitch.
Now, why are you talking like that? See all the things you get now. Why the guy no go chop now?
I beg. No make me remind you waiting I suffer for this one throwaway handle. I beg.
Lizzie, Emmanuel is still waiting now.
Waiting, ke? Which Emmanuel?
See him now.
I'm not seeing anybody here.
Elizabeth, please, can I talk to you briefly, sir?
Oh, now you be the man, no? I mean, things are loose. I mean, I'm not going to find.
Find me, ke? Me? You know me now. I dey follow guys where they drop.
Elizabeth, so you have turned me to an object of caricature. You've turned me to an object of caricature.
Let's talk outside, please.
See me, wahala. Emmanuel, I beg. No come and have come insult me. No come for house.
You think you can? You are.
Come now. Come on, fight. You want to fight? Come on, fight. Go
I told you, these are hot. I told you.
Why did you come now? Come and beat her. I'm dropping one rubber. I don't buy that. I tell you one now. I don't know what to come next one. I follow him. I don't like that. I bet tell your friend. Love that all night. Come back now. You want to speak up. You know they get shame. Stupid. What's your friend? I beg. No, they tell me that.
I've been standing here for a while without you noticing me. Are you alright?
Damn, I was lost.
You're drinking. I'm beginning to suspect that you will not be able to take care of June.
No, cut the crap.
We lost Noel and will not be able to lose you, even if you don't want us.
Tell me, when did you come into this house?
An hour ago,
No.
June's mom and dad are inside and they want to talk to you.
Yeah, I know. I decided to give them a breathing space so they can have time to talk to their daughter in privacy.
I understand, okay? Just go inside and do something about your breath because you stink of booze. Please. And don't touch this.
Yeah.
So we can go.
We were discussing with June a while ago on the need for her to come with us, at least for the time being. But she insists on staying here.
She needs people around her at a time like this.
Yes.
But she has Angel, me, and
But Angela just said she refused to go to her own place.
Just the memory of her late husband, I suppose.
there's anything I want now, is to be close to my husband. And I know being in this house, he will communicate with me as to what to do next. I'm fine.
I think she's right, because I see a very strong character in her.
June, my daughter, I hope you are alright.
Mama, she's fine. There is nothing to worry about.
You know, Emmanuel lost his parents at a very tender age. And since then, we have been his parent.
His elder sister never really liked my daughter. In fact, they are coming here to fight over property.
No, not when I'm alive. You see, the thing is, I'm a lawyer, alright, and I'm in the best position to protect June and her late husband's property.
Let me come in there. Do you know whether Emmanuel has a will?
Well, none that I know of. But technically, I can prevent any family member from having access to his property.
We are not poor. If Emmanuel's property is going to cause trouble, I will advise that my daughter leaves everything for them. I still want her alive.
Nothing of that nature will happen. While Noel was alive, he made sure everything he acquired was in his wife's name. I'm worried.
Okay. Gil, I look up to you to take care of your late friend's wife. And I assume she will be a good friend.
Unofficially, you've been handed over to me by your parents. Noel's elder sister is in the US. I want us to quickly arrange his burial before she returns.
I will not. I repeat, I will not bury my husband without the consent of his people. That is unacceptable.
I wasn't suggesting so. She just might be the only one to look into what your late husband left behind. And my advice is, you meet with his uncle and other relations, making them to understand your husband never wanted to be kept in a morgue. And then, in that, you have no option but to accept it.
Did you kill my husband because of the 100 million assurance money?
I did not kill your husband. You did. Besides, if he hadn't working like he did, who knows by now he would have still been alive, even though you would have found a way to eliminate me.
I hate you so much.
Still doesn't make any difference. As long as we're going to be happy together in this house. As a matter of fact, why don't you, I just thought you would have been happy here together and put your fancy act in check.
He trusted you. He trusted you so much.
Even to death. Because he knows that I would never meant any harm for him. Whatever happened was unfortunate.
I'm beginning to think seriously about being left alone with you in this house. You're insane.
Yes, I know. I lost my sanity from the day I met you. I breathe, eat, drink you. Nothing else matters but you. And I know someday I will have you.
You're a certified lunatic.
By a certified psychiatrist called John.
have I done? What have I done? What crime did I do? What fate is this? Never knew love could be a curse. Oh, never knew someday things would turn around. I've been battered against so many cries. My life is shattered for a man I love. Oh, it's always for tears. It's always for tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. It's always to cry. It's always to cry. My heart's torn in pieces. It's always to cry. I'm so down with tears. I'm so down with tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. I thought somehow I found the man to love. I thought certain our love would be forever. Oh, now this cross, this burden, this load is heavy. Oh, why my heart this way is broken? It's always for tears. It's always for tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. It's always to cry. It's always to cry. My heart's torn in pieces. It's always to cry. I'm so down with tears. So down with tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. What have I done? What have I done? What crime did I do? What fate is this? Never knew that love could be a curse. Oh, never knew someday things would turn around. I've been battered against so many cries. My life is shattered for a man I love. Oh, it's always for tears. It's always for tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. It's always to cry. It's always to cry. My heart's torn in pieces. It's always to cry. I'm so down with tears. I'm so down with tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. I thought somehow I found the man to love. I thought certain our love would be forever. Oh, now this cross, this burden, this load is heavy. Oh, why my heart this way is broken? It's always for tears. It's always for tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. It's always to cry. It's always to cry. My heart's torn in pieces. It's always to cry. I'm so down with tears. I'm so down with tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. What have I done? What have I done? What crime did I do? What fate is this? Never knew that love could be a curse. Oh, never knew someday things would turn around. I've been battered against so many cries. My life is shattered for a man I love. Oh, it's always for tears. It's always for tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. It's always to cry. It's always to cry. My heart's torn in pieces. It's always to cry. I'm so down with tears. I'm so down with tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. I thought somehow I found the man to love. I thought certain our love would be forever. Oh, now this cross, this burden, this load is heavy. Oh, why my heart this way is broken? It's always for tears. It's always for tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. It's always to cry. It's always to cry. My heart's torn in pieces. It's always to cry. I'm so down with tears. I'm so down with tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. What have I done? What have I done? What crime did I do? What fate is this? Never knew that love could be a curse. Oh, never knew someday things would turn around. I've been battered against so many cries. My life is shattered for a man I love. Oh, it's always for tears. It's always for tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. It's always to cry. It's always to cry. My heart's torn in pieces. It's always to cry. I'm so down with tears. I'm so down with tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. I thought somehow I found the man to love. I thought certain our love would be forever. Oh, now this cross, this burden, this load is heavy. Oh, why my heart this way is broken? It's always for tears. It's always for tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. It's always to cry. It's always to cry. My heart's torn in pieces. It's always to cry. I'm so down with tears. I'm so down with tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. I mourn. Always I weep, I weep.
Don't hold me. Okay, fine. As long as no other man gonna hold your hand. You're very stupid. Hey, what's wrong with you? You don't talk to your lawyer like that. Have you forgotten you're not my client? Indeed. and I'm gonna protect you as well. Don't forget your parents handed you over to me. And I guess they'll be so happy when we announce that we are getting married. Keep dreaming. And something I've been doing all this while my dream is about to come true. Don't shut up. Okay, well, if I leave you to back then.
Get away from me!
Where is reasonable? I just want to get
Well, how did it go? It went well.
Well, they had no option. Not with a smart lawyer like me. Well, the only thing that is left for them to go and do the normal investigation, the normal insurance company's policies. Yeah.
What is it with both of you?
She doesn't want to admit she can't do without me.
Like hell I can't.
Can we leave this place, please?
I don't know about you guys, but me, I am famished.
Yeah, me too. But there's a fast food around the corner. I mean, I never thought the meeting was going to take forever.
Well, I don't eat junk. I need to have a proper meal.
I think they have African dish too.
Come on, junk is junk. Why don't you go to a restaurant then?
Angel, I need to have a quick bite because I have to hurry back to my office.
Come on, you can still take a proper bite at a restaurant.
Why do I always have to do what you want?
Listen, I was just saying
You're always insistent. I want fast food and I'm getting fast food.
No, it's not healthy for you.
You can't tell me what to do. You are not my husband.
Come on, guys. There is no need for this. We can go to a fast food joint and get whatever you want and still go to a restaurant.
No. I am going to sit down comfortably and have my meal. Well, if he doesn't want junk, you have to take a cab to the restaurant you want to eat from. I want to eat junk and I'm going to the fast food. Car keys, please. Car keys, please.
You are enjoying your snack, right?
I don't see any reason why I shouldn't. Do you?
You happy?
Can you stop talking like a child and allow me to enjoy my pie?
Come on, suck. Who cares? I mean, who cares if you want to stop yourself to death?
You! What is wrong with you? And you, June? Why are you behaving like this?
How am I behaving?
Is there something both of you are not telling me? certain there is something that I'm telling you.
I wish I had a choice. I'll just move out of this house for him. Or rather throw him out. But I can't.
Lower your voice, okay? I do not want him to overhear our conversation.
I don't care. I don't care. This is my house. Fine.
Of course, I know. I just want to know the truth. The truth. The truth.
Nothing. I think I'm just upset with everything. I mean, him being Newell's friend. Nothing else, nothing.
I perceive there was something, but it just resurfaced again. Is it disturbing you?
How?
I mean, a man might want to take advantage of a woman that just lost her husband. Probably he wants to sleep with you or something.
No, don't be silly. No. If he ever tries that, I will throw him out without even hesitating.
You would throw him out? What did he do to you? Why do you hate him so much? Why?
I hate his guts. Okay? I see Noel in him. Okay? Always insisting on what they want and ordering one around.
You know you are lying. Trust me, I will find out. You know what I can do, don't you?
There is no way she'll find out who killed your husband except you tell her the truth.
You better stop this rubbish Gil about me killing Noel.
No, I will not. I have to keep reminding you that you'll be hung if the truth is known.
What is the truth?
The murder weapon the police did not find will be materialized. And the forensic guys will check for fingerprints. And when it does, whose fingerprint will it find, sweetheart? Is it me or you? Or the voice recorded planning on how to get rid of Noel? Is it mine or yours? Or perhaps it's yours and Angel's?
You better stop this rubbish, Gil. I made a mistake by not damning the consequences and telling the police the truth that same day. It gives you no right to remind me every second that I am a weak-minded person.
Oh, I'm so sorry I put you in such position, okay? Besides, Angel has no idea that if the truth comes out, she equally will be implicated. But I must commend you. You have been very impressive. Very. Very soon we'll have the 100 million naira all to ourselves, and then we can announce to the world that we are getting married, and every other thing will be history.
Gil, I accept. I was unhappy with Noel. I accept I wanted to leave him though he wouldn't let me. But you have to understand, I never wished for him to die violently like he did.
I understand.
I want to beg you to be patient with me. With time, I will overcome what I'm going through.
You're smart. Smarter than I even credited. Keep it up.
Demola, you're still upset about the incident.
June, why wouldn't I be upset? I mean, you claim not to know that madman, but he knocked me down in your presence. Just because of you!
Demola, I swear on my love, I do not know that man. He is a madman, obviously. I mean, Something has got to be wrong with him. Because I don't know him. You have to trust me. I do not know that man. I swear.
I wonder what love you're swearing on. You were there, June. He knocked me down.
The madman knocked you down. Let's not make a mountain out of this. I don't know him. Demola, wait, listen to me. I swear I did not give that guy my number. He got my number from the hairdressing salon.
June, why on earth would that guy want to visit you if he never knew you? Why?
He came to say he was sorry about what he did.
And you accepted his apology, I suppose?
Demola, you have known me right from our school days. Have I ever lied to you?
Yes, you can say you've never lied to me. But people change. Or don't they? Don't they change, June?
What is going on? I mean, why would you want to embarrass me in public? What is going on?
June, I know you're not that stupid. I know you're just not stupid. I mean, is it not obvious we're done? Is it not obvious we're done with the relationship?
Just like that? Over some stupid stranger I don't even know?
Just like that, okay? So you can just go ahead and return my engagement ring whenever you want. Whenever you want, okay? Excuse me.
Demola, I know you're angry, but you have to listen to me. Wait, just listen. Let me explain. I swear, wait. Well, everything seems to be working out in your favor, because as you can see, it's a public place. Do my best. Excuse me.
You may avoid me now. You may despise me so much. But I just want you to know that you're my word. You're my everything. The air that I breathe, the food that I eat. No woman has left a lasting impression in my heart like you. I worship and adore you. In 2 days, I'll be traveling to the United Kingdom for my post-graduation studies. When I return, I promise you, I'll find you and marry you.
My God! I can't believe a young man like this will be let roam in the streets with no one to bother about his madness. Is a big threat I dismissed without respect. But he wants me. That's an advantage.
What's wrong with you?
You're disappointed I'm not giving you the privilege to rape me. If you must have me by force when you can have me calmly, suit yourself.
That is not what I want.
You claim you love me, yet you want to hurt me.
No, I don't want to hurt you. I love you. Please, come on, don't cry. Your tears will break my heart.
Why can't you be patient with me till I'm ready? If not for anything, as a sign of respect to the man you claim you didn't mean to kill.
I didn't kill him!
I'm sorry. I forgot.
Listen, do me a favor, alright? Learn to lock your bedroom door and stop tempting me.
It's a habit. Even Noel used to complain.
Can you just stop mentioning his name? Can you just stop it? Can you accept the fact I'm here for you?
I'm sorry. It won't happen again. Gil, why slip away from me? I'm scared. I'm scared to be alone.
Are you asking me to sleep here with you?
Yes. But you must promise not to touch me until I'm ready.
You are looking different today, June.
Well, thank God.
Why don't you and Gil get a new gate man? It is obvious that both of you cannot be going to the gate anytime you have visitors.
Yes, I actually thought of it. I told Gil, but he suggested we waited a while till we maybe decide on who.
For God's sake, this is your house. I thought you were threatening to throw him out.
Well, that was then. There's no need for that now. Let's go inside. Okay, let's just go inside.
Hi, Angel.
Hi, Gil. I didn't know you were home. I was just telling her about getting a new...
Gate man. Angel wanted us to get a gate man, but I told her it wasn't necessary as you suggested.
Yeah, it wasn't. It's not.
I'm happy both of you are on friendly ground now.
We've always been on friendly ground. I guess I was just taken aback by what happened. Isn't that right, darling?
Yeah, that's right.
Let's not keep Angel waiting. You know we're supposed to be going out.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go get dressed.
Let's go.
Okay, Angel, we'll be right back, alright?
June is not being herself. I think something is wrong somewhere, and I will definitely find out.
I've been out of this country for 2 years now, for my post-graduation studies. And all this while, I had only one thing in my mind: a face without a name. The face of a woman I love so dearly.
Wow, man. In just 2 years, and you've done extremely well for yourself.
I give glory to God and to my wife, who is my inspiration.
That's a good word. I just knew Elizabeth was a perfect one for you.
What I had with Elizabeth ended that time. You seem to have forgotten.
Are you serious?
Sure.
Wow. I mean, when you told me you were getting married, naturally, I just knew it was Elizabeth.
No. We never did reconcile. And that's good. Perhaps I would still have been a bachelor, fooling around town with her.
Yeah, you're right. So, who then did you get married to?
Someone I met through you.
What?
I know you wouldn't recollect because it's a long time now.
Wait, someone you met through me?
Yeah.
No, of course, I can't remember.
Oh, you'll meet us soon.
I'll meet us soon?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm in love too, man.
Really?
Yeah.
You never told me. So who is she?
Well, I wish I could answer the question. She's just a face without a name. But we are connected spiritually, man.
Man,
I know I'll meet her soon.
That's interesting. Boy, you're welcome back.
Welcome back, man.
Yeah,
I'm so
like,
happy.
oh, man.
What, man? It's been 2 years.
Yeah, a lot has changed, man.
God. Wow, I can't believe my eyes. Jesus Christ, look at this place. Tell me something, this is a house. Sure, man. I built it from scratch to finish. Wow, man, this is unbelievable. Wait a minute. Are you not? Are you saying that you're not a landlord?
Sure. No more rents, man. Don't pay rents, man. I tell you.
Good. Man, I'm so proud of you, man. You've done beautifully well for yourself.
Man, I'm happy you're home. You know, I need a partner. No one fits it like you do.
Yeah, come on, you can count on me, the waist getting thing.
Look, this is a computer age, man.
Yeah.
We are in IT age. And I'm not a computer analyst. For
nothing, no.
Look, I have another surprise for you.
Are you serious?
Let's go on, man.
Are you serious? I can't wait to hear it.
Obi, please get the bags from the boat.
No, seriously, I can't wait to hear it. Tell me.
That's my wife. Remember her?
Your what?
My wife, man. I told you I met her 3 years. God bless you. I am what I am today because of her. She's God sent.
Are you okay? Get well. Is this some kind of joke or something?
I knew you'd be surprised. It's just that you got me scared for a second. Look. Wow. Here she is. Angel. Here is June.
Hi.
Remember my guy, Gil?
How can I forget? He sent my ex crashing with just a single punch.
Typical of you, man. Crazy guy. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm just a little shocked, that's all.
I knew you would be. You know, that the lady that turned you down ended up marrying me, huh?
Anyways, how are you, Joan?
Hi. You're welcome to my home.
You know, I never really knew your name till now.
You were persistent, but you weren't good enough to get my name. Do you mind?
I'm sorry.
It's nothing. So, table is set. Could you, please?
You've been acting funny. What's up?
He's not staying here.
Why?
Emmanuel, your friend is not staying in my house.
What are you talking about?
You heard me. I'm not comfortable with the way he's been staring at me all evening. He has to leave this house tomorrow morning.
June, Gil is like a brother to me. And my home is his home. You've got to understand that he's shocked. I understand he had some kind of crush on you and that's all.
It's not all. I am a woman I understand that, look. He's in love with me. He's always been.
Cut this crap, June. Gil is in love with some woman he met sometime. He said the woman only has a face without a name. You know, he acts crazy at times.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Don't you have any sense? Don't you have any sense at all? I am that woman. It's me. Can't you see?
But...
No buts! I see it in his eyes. He feels betrayed. Lord!
You stole my woman.
Hey man, you up and ready already?
I hope you had a good night, right?
Oh, definitely. I had a wonderful night. After the lunch, do you know your wife cooked? Wow, I had no option but to go to bed and sleep like a baby.
For sure.
Definitely. Why, you look kind of worried. Is there any problem?
No, I came for us to talk.
For us to talk? Oh, yeah. About the job. I forgot the job, right? Oh, just give me a few minutes, let me go.
No. About us.
Us?
Yeah.
So what is it?
Well, June to be precise.
June. She's your wife now, alright? And that's how it should be. Alright?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Come on. I mean, I really didn't know Joan. All we had was just me wanting her up and down, up the place and whatever. You know. But that was 2 years back.
You know, you're my brother. I don't want you to be hurt.
Oh, come on. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. Wait a minute. Did you smoke something or what? We're talking about your wife here, and that should be the limit, alright?
Well, I'm greatly relieved.
Good.
Well, why not get yourself prepared so we can go out together?
Yeah, now we're talking. Let me just get myself prepared. So we go to the office, alright? Just give me 1 minute, alright?
Is he leaving?
He's not leaving.
But we agreed he was so...
He's not leaving. Except there's something else you're not telling me. Gil is happy for us. He does not care shit about you.
You watch your tongue when you're speaking to me. Listen to me. Letting him stay in this house is asking for trouble, and you know we can...
Why do you hate him this much? Or are you indirectly telling me you had something with him?
Come on, you.
Or are you afraid you are not able to resist his charm?
Noel?
Or you think I don't know you're cheating on me?
We talked about this the last time.
That I allowed peace to reign doesn't make me a fool. You've been seeing other men, huh? Hold on. I get it. The picture is getting clearer. Oh, you want Gil out of the way so that you can bring in your lovers into the house whenever I travel. Oh, you want Gil out of the way.
I'm sorry I brought this up in the first place.
Because he stays here.
Good morning, John. How are you, Nicole? Fine?
about leaving this door open, especially when you're naked? Yes. Then why did you leave this door open when you knew Gil would be coming upstairs with me?
Emmanuel, because this is my house and I will not allow anyone make me uncomfortable in my own house.
Now you listen to me.
Oh no, you listen to me.
I will not tolerate this nonsense from you.
You hit me again?
You will learn to listen to me. I'm your husband.
You are her husband, and it's your duty to curtail her excesses. You know, I can't imagine a married woman leaving her house just because she disagreed with her husband and stays out up to this time.
The most annoying thing is that she has even refused to pick her calls.
Oh, listen, doesn't she have some friends you can call and talk to?
I've called on her friends and they say they've not seen her.
Wow, amazing. But does she do that often?
The problem I have with John is that she's too independent and stubborn. Look, I've tolerated her as much as I can, but this is getting out of hand and I won't take this shit no more.
Steps. It's like she's here. Listen, she's here, alright? Now, all you have to do is take it easy with her, alright? Okay, good night.
Where are you from?
I went to have fun.
With who?
A friend.
I called all your friends and they said you were not with them.
Well, Noel, you don't know this one.
Tell me, Jen, did you go out of this house without telling me because we had a fight?
Of course, Emmanuel. I went out on wine and cool my head. Yes.
What are you wearing?
What?
The perfume. You went out to see a guy, right?
I pity you. Ow! 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 Get away from me! Get away! Ah! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me! You! Ow! Let go of me!
Noel!
That wasn't a smart thing you did last night. You are the one empowering her.
What was I supposed to do? She disrespects me.
Yes, because you gave her the opportunity. Beating women has been an old habit of yours. Listen, have you been able to manage it? For me and we all have one or two bad habits, okay? But when two others agree to come together, I thought they turn to tolerate and understand themselves.
She's seen another man.
That's her imagination. Do you have proof?
No. The perfume in question here that you claim you perceived on her is amongst the gifts I gave you guys.
Yeah, but she should have explained this to me, you know? Instead of being nasty and rude.
Listen, if my presence is causing a problem in this house, it's better I just hang out to a hotel till I get my own crib, okay?
That's nonsense. This has nothing to do with you. You know, I'm beginning to realize that June married me not out of love, but maybe to use me to spite her old boyfriend.
Oh, there you go again.
No, it is true.
Oh, no.
It is true. She keeps comparing me with him. And I know they still communicate, so they must be seeing each other.
June, tell me the truth. Are you still saying Demola?
What has that got to do with him hitting me?
Listen, he has complained to me twice, but that's not enough reason why he should hate you. I hate men that hate women. No matter what.
Yes. I met Demola once or twice.
What?
Noel caused it. And I did regret my actions.
You're very stupid. How could you do a thing like that? A married woman? Now, what's the problem with his friend staying here?
I don't trust him. I don't trust him one bit. Besides, it was because of him that Demola and I separated.
Oh, he was the guy you talked about?
Yes.
I understand.
What is that look on your face? What is that look on your face?
I understand. He's a temptation.
No! No, nada, no. Okay? You are getting it all wrong. That guy is dangerous. I see it in his eyes. I see anger. I see jealousy. Noel is such a fool. I mean, to even think that that guy will be so excited for him when he married a woman Gil wanted for himself. Why on earth will Gil be happy for him? I see it in his eyes. He's upset. He's angry. He's jealous. I see it, Angel. I see it.
June, allow peace to reign in your home. This is your home, unless you don't encourage it. But my problem is him hating you. I don't like it. I don't like men that hate women. That was the reason why I left my last relationship. I hate it. I despise it.
Angel, something is not right. I see it. I feel it. Something about Gil is just not right. I feel it. Trust me.
Take it easy. Step by step.
This photograph has no more space in this house. Noah has been dead and buried about a year now, so... yeah, it's time for change. Okay, I'll replace this photograph with my wedding photograph. Good.
So how can I help you?
Why haven't you been taking my calls?
Because I don't even know why you should be calling my phone.
Demola.
Subsided, you said. June, what is it about this whole thing you don't understand? That we are done with each other, or that I'm no longer interested in our relationship? My relationship with you is over, okay? Ejiro is my fiancé. So just get that into your score and get off my track, alright?
Better.
I know you. Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
That guy that just drove off, did he hurt you?
No, no, not at all. No.
Though I don't want to know what transpired between both of you, but any guy that draws out tears from these eyes does not deserve these eyes.
thank you.
See what I mean? With a beautiful smile like this, the world will be a better place. Come on. Tell me, that dude that just drove off from here, is he blind?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
How come he didn't see what I see in you?
What do you see in me?
I see a thing of beauty with a heart so pure that it's transparent. I see God's handiwork at its best. That even if I had a bad heart, I wouldn't need a transplant. Come on, baby. Knock off these tears, man. I'm not a doctor, but I recommend more laughter for you. It complements your beauty. And you know what?
Tell me.
You need a guy like me to bring out the laughter in you. Hey, what about sharing one bottle of Coke with me? Don't laugh. That's all I can afford. What about? Does that mean yes? Does that mean? Oh, thank you, Jesus! Come on, baby. Come on. Let's just share one bottle of Coke.
I mean, this is just unbelievable. I agreed to have a bottle of Coke with you, and then here I am. I'm stuffed up with food.
I'm very excited to be honored by a beautiful girl like you. It doesn't happen every day.
You know, you succeeded in making me forget that I was heartbroken.
On a serious note, the story you told me was sad. But it's not an excuse enough for a guy to dump a girl that he is engaged to. That is, if you truly loved her.
Yes. I'm beginning to wonder, did Demola truly love me?
Perhaps he did. Perhaps he did not. But one thing is certain. He had that other girl that I saw him with on the side.
God. I mean, I can't believe that Demola was playing me. He was just using me. I mean, I gave him an excuse to dump me.
He doesn't know what's good for him. Believe me, he's gonna crawl back on his knees, begging you to accept him back. But by then, it will be too late.
Why'd you say that?
Our meeting today, you think it's a mere incident? It was designed right from the time you were conceived.
You are so disgusting, but I like you.
I like you better.
I don't drink. But I feel like getting drunk, sleep, wake up, and Demola will be history.
That's the kind of word I want to hear. Come on, baby, let's go get drunk. Shit, I just pulled up my dress. My creep, man, my creep. My creep, bro, this is my creep. This is my
bad boy. Bad boy. Bringing us here. You bad guy. Don't touch my ball.
My creep. You're beautiful, baby.
Your creep is lovely.
Beautiful, baby. You're beautiful.
Don't press my ball.
I'll tell you to.
I'm pressing you with my sushi.
I'll tell you to. I've never seen a more beautiful.
You're touching my bum.
Like you.
Angel.
Hello? June? For God's sake, where have you been? Where are you?
I'm safe and I'm fine.
That is not the question. Your parents have been looking for you.
I'm fine, Angel. I just got myself drunk, that's all.
Where are you? A friend? And that is the reason why you're not picking your calls? Are you sure you're okay? You don't drink alcohol? How come you are drunk?
I just wanted to get crazy. I mean, Demola has been messing with me because I'm a good girl.
I knew it. I knew it has to do with that guy. That Demola guy. Eh? See, just try to get in touch with your parents before they go to the police, okay? Besides, who is this friend of yours?
Cute guy I just met.
Don't tell me you slept in a guy's house. A guy you don't even know.
Angel, I'll call you back. Okay? Let me call you back.
What? Hello? Hello? What is it with this girl?
Breakfast in bed?
Yeah, I knew you would wake up tired and hungry, so I wanted to fix your breakfast.
Let's go romantic.
Wow.
Oh, my key. There you go. There you go. I'm gulping you up. So much sugar. Honestly, you're so romantic. I'm beginning to feel like I've known you for 10 years.
You know, it takes the right kind of guy to bring out the best. I'm that guy.
Thanks for making me happy.
You're welcome. Now you eat your breakfast before the coffee turns cold.
Oh my god, that's so much sugar. I told you my worst habit.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
You know my best habit?
What?
Just watching you. Being happy.
I like to do it. What have you and the been talking about?
Though he is knowledgeable, but
what?
Listen, I understand your heart and you need some kind of distraction, but this guy, he looks like a playboy.
Come on, you just didn't say that about my boo.
I am your friend. I'm just giving you an advice so you don't get carried away by one night sex and his looks.
Wait, thank you very much, my dear friend. Let me tell you, I have found my better half.
What?
Yes.
One night of good sex.
I'm kidding. Hey, you.
I smell conspiracy.
No, my love, you are safe.
You're right. I perceive a good aroma of good cooking.
Jupiter's cock, my chicken stew. Get away! Don't gossip about me.
Noel actually wants us to invest in a business together.
What kind of business?
His business, boss.
Come on, what do you know about information technology?
Angel, I am not that naive. At least I'm computer literate.
And so, what happens to your job as an accountant?
I'm not dropping off my job completely. I mean, I am a partner in an accounting firm. That is my profession.
And what happens then?
Well, he wants me to invest in his idea, after which we'll get married.
I thought that's smart. I mean, what man would want to get married to a girl who is as rich as you are?
Need I remind you, dear friend, Demola, remember?
That was after he got 20 million naira off you.
And just stop being sarcastic, okay? I took Noel to my parents and they did give their consent.
What?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
It's a lie.
Yes, it's true. Why would I lie?
have I done? What have I done? What crime did I do? What fate is this? Never knew that love could be a curse. Oh, never knew someday things would turn around. I've been battered against so many cries. My life is shattered for a man alive. Oh, it's always for tears. It's always for tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. It's always to cry. It's always to cry. My heart's torn in pieces. It's always to cry. I'm so down with tears. I'm so down with tears. The heart of a widow.
You're calling your phone. I went out. Isn't it obvious?
I hope you're alright.
I'm fine.
Listen, something came up, alright? We both are signatory to that account. And now I can't withdraw from the account without your consent.
Gil, please. I'm in no mood to discuss this right now. Excuse me.
Oh, why my heart this way is broken? It's always for tears. It's always for tears. The heart of a widow is always for.
I'm becoming so soft. I need to let her know I'm in charge.
Please, if you don't mind, I'm undressing.
No, I've left you for a long time now.
Please, don't do this. Please, don't do this.
Your husband has been buried.
Please. Wait.
Don't you dare struggle with me. Or else, you got yourself out. Listen, your friend is here, okay? I suggest you put yourself together. Except you want her to know what's going on in his house. And of course, I'm certain you're not.
June, what is going on?
Nothing. I'm fine.
You are not fine. What is it?
I just told you. Nothing. I'm perfectly fine.
It is obvious that you are not fine. Where is Gil?
He's inside.
Now talk to me, because since Noel died, your attitude has been strange. Is there something you're hiding?
I'm not hiding anything. I'm just heartbroken.
I can see through you. You are lying. Tell me the truth. What is going on? Is it about Gil?
Why do you say that?
Isn't it obvious that somebody you're trying so hard to get rid of has suddenly become your friend? Perhaps your lover?
Angel, don't say things you know nothing about.
Now you are beginning to talk. What has he got over you? Because it is obvious that he is controlling you. Is he trying to blackmail you? Or sex?
I don't want to have this conversation.
You know you cannot fool me. I am not a fool. I will certainly find out.
My dear friend, let me freshen up and let's go hang out, okay?
I've heard it all. So you want to go to a safer place to talk to her, right?
No, I won't, I swear.
You know the consequences. We all will go down. Now.
I will not tell her anything, please. She's waiting for me.
No reason why I want to have you right now.
No.
It's not all right. You don't have no knowledge.
This was the slippers she was wearing. I was right. I was right.
What are we going to do?
What are we going to do? Is submit to her. Tell her we are lovers and we're about to get married. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Really? That's exactly what you're going to do.
I got no choice.
That's what you do.
What have I done? What have I done? What crime did I do? What fate is this? Never knew love could be a curse. Oh, never knew someday things would turn around. I've been battered.
You slut. So you have been sleeping around with your late husband's friend, right?
Angel, it's not what you believe.
Oh, really? Were you guys not making out like dogs in the passage? Were you not? Huh?
You misunderstand me.
Do I? Tell me, what is your underwear and your slippers doing in the passage? I bet you couldn't wait for me to go.
No, Angel, you can't imagine what I've gone through.
Spare me all that. Spare me all that. I am so disappointed at you. I never knew you could do such a thing. How could you remove the photograph on the wall in the sitting room? How could you? I bet it reminds you of him, right?
Angel!
Don't even come close to me. Noel's death is no longer strange anymore.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? You have everything to gain from his death. His house, his cars, the money in his account, and the 100 million naira life assurance. Yeah?
Angel, don't say things you know nothing about. Don't.
I should not say things I don't know. I freaking know everything about it. I know that you and Gil killed Noel and the gate man. You disgust me. You are evil.
No! What have you done? What have you done?
Shut up! Just shut up! She was about to expose us.
I've got a friend, but I'm a better friend. Oh, my friend is my brother. A brother so dear to me, but in my stead.
Angel, wait.
Go.
The heart of a widow is always for tears. It's always to cry. It's always to cry. My heart's torn in pieces. It's always to cry. I'm so down with tears. I'm so down with tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. I mourn. Always I weep.
I said hello.
I heard you.
I find you really interesting. Talking to you.
Really?
Yeah. Do you mind if I join you? Please.
Get lost.
What?
I said get lost.
Okay, I never meant any trouble, just wanted to be friendly.
Oh my God, you know, those ladies are fantastic.
Very fantastic.
I think my wife's friend is quite beautiful.
She is?
Yeah, you know, look at her back, man.
Yeah. I don't even like her.
Big! Whoa! Come on! You are so disgusting! Oh my God, June! You are so disgusting! Wait. Take it.
Okay,
Say amen.
Okay, amen. I want to say something for you.
What?
Have you noticed that your husband's friend has been glaring at you?
Glaring at you or me?
Don't tell me you don't know. You, of course. I know when a man is in love with a woman, that guy is crazy in love with you.
And you like him, don't you?
Of course I do. And it's what I call my spec. In fact, I've been trying to attract him, but the guy, actually, he doesn't like me.
No. No. Don't tell me you lost your touch.
No.
You've lost your touch.
It's an insult. Of course you know me. You know what I can do. You know
Tell
what
me.
Angel can do.
Tell me.
You know I can actually make cups work.
Oh, well, my dear friend. Why don't you make these cups work and I love you forever? I love you forever.
Are you serious?
Oh, you won. I swear.
That's a deal.
Deal? High five.
Are you not having fun?
Oh, yes, we are.
Gil? You are not noticing me.
I'm sorry?
You are not noticing me. Oh. Can we go and swim?
No, I'm cool.
Hey, man, where are your manners? You don't turn down a girl.
I'm not turning her down, just I don't feel like swimming.
You've been swimming all this while.
Yeah, but I'm tired.
You don't think we should take a walk? as well.
I'm cool with that.
Alright, whatever.
No, no. Okay, fine, but besides, let me over there. I can feel comfortable. I swear. Nothing. I swear. Get away. You are so disgusting. Get away. Get away.
Get out. Get out. Get out.
Listen, stop trying to force another woman on me. I'm not interested. There is no one woman I have on my mind. And I swear to God, I don't care whatever it takes. I'll have her.
What's this obsession about guilt? Tell me the truth. Was there anything that happened in the past you're not telling me?
No! You're hurting me.
I will break this neck if you don't tell me the truth now!
I'm telling you the truth. We barely knew each other. If you had told me you knew me through him, I'd have told you how obsessed he was about me. And wait!
No, stop using guilt as an excuse. The problem is about the man you've been seeing outside.
I'm not seeing anyone outside. I met with Demola and I told you about it.
Liar! You are still sleeping with him, and that's why you refuse to be pregnant.
How dare you!
You mean Noel raised his hand on you again?
I didn't want to tell you he's been beating me up.
What? Next time, when he tries it, pick up a knife and stab him.
I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stab him so hard I'll have no regrets stabbing him.
Rubbish. Is somebody there?
How are you guys?
Have you been standing there for a while?
Nope. I just walked out of my room. I can see you guys are discussing, right? In that case, I'll be outside.
You heard our conversation?
Who cares? He's the reason I got beaten up in the first place.
There is something odd about that guy. And he's beginning to give me jitters.
Odd? Jitters? The guy is a creep.
I thought I told you to get lost.
You're here all by yourself drinking. I think I'm not worried about you. Are you okay? You have to be this mean. We're trying to be friendly. Fuck! What a fucking bitch.
I owe you. No. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. You are a bitch. Can you imagine?
Pick your call. Pick your call. Pick your call. So she doesn't want to pick my call, right? If she sings to anyone, the both of us will go down together. Yes.
What have I done? What have I done? What crime did I do? What fate is this? Never knew that love could be a curse. Oh, never knew someday things would turn around. I've been battered against so many cries. My life is shattered for a man I love. Oh. It's always for tears, it's always for tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. It's always to cry, it's always to cry. My heart's torn in pieces, it's always to cry. I'm so down with tears, I'm so down with tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. I thought somehow I found the man to love. I thought certain our love would be forever. Oh, now this cross, this burden, this load is heavy. Oh, why my heart this way is broken? It's always for tears, it's always for tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. It's always to cry. It's always to cry.
Hello. Who am I speaking with, please? What? Hospital? Where? Which hospital?
It's alright. There is nothing to worry about. At least, thank God it was the police who saw her, not hoodlums.
Police?
Yes, they brought her here and dialed the last number on the phone. But wait a minute. Who is she to, if I may ask?
A fiancé.
Ness.
Yes.
You have the right records?
Yes.
100 milligram.
Yeah.
It's okay. But really, is she going through any kind of emotional or psychological trauma? Because a lady in her state is not supposed to be taking alcoholic beverage.
No, she's not. She was perfectly fine before she left the house this morning. I don't know why she would go to the extent of getting drunk, and she doesn't even know her way home.
Well, thank God her pregnancy is perfectly fine and she's...
Her pregnancy? She's pregnant?
You want to tell me you're not aware she's pregnant?
No, she didn't tell me.
Well, except she didn't want you to know, which explains perhaps why she went into the consumption of alcohol. But are you certain there is nothing wrong between the two of you?
No, she didn't tell me.
Well, I administered some drugs, and I believe by the time she wakes up, she'll be strong. She'll be fine. You just go and sit by her side.
All right. Thank you very much, doctor.
The pleasure is mine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You could have gotten us a problem for your stupidity.
There is no us. The earlier you realize that, the better for you.
Listen, you are carrying my baby, and God in heaven knows that I will make sure nothing happens to the baby because you're going to keep it.
I'm not. I hate you. I hate you so much for everything you make me go through. I hate you. I wish I could kill you.
Just stop this drama, okay? What is done is done. There's no turning back.
It's why you killed Angel, my husband. You killed the gate man all in cold blood. God will punish you.
Go in there and find something to eat. And I will not be allowing you to go out anyhow. Hear me? Whoever interested, tell them you are here and you need rest.
I wanted a baby, but not like this. Not like this, God, not for this monster. No one to talk to, no one to talk to.
Did that scare you? You see, what I find funny is you truly wish you could just gather the nerves, pick a knife and stab me from behind. Oh, maybe find an object, hitting me down the staircase, or even perhaps telling the police about us, right? But you know what? You can't. Because you are weak. We are in this together now. Like from the onset. Wait a minute. I gave you the opportunity to love me naturally. Just a bit of love. I never meant to hurt anyone, but to love you. The rules have changed. We do it my way now. Because I know you hate me.
My daughter! June! What is it?
I was staying alone.
You You know you are a 4-year-old woman. Hmm? Must you always be afraid when you're left alone? Must you? No. No.
But I'm scared of staying alone.
Ah. Sure. Now, listen to me. Listen to me. You are my only child. Girl or no girl. Hmm? You must learn to conquer your fears. The world out there does not like a weak-minded fellow. Do you understand me?
Yes, Daddy.
Do you?
Yes.
Good. Good. Let's move.
All these people. I couldn't get a hold of my nerves. I couldn't do something worthy for once. I could have saved Noel's life. I could have been brave enough to tell the police the truth. Am I that weak? Am I that weak?
Joan, I want you to sign this. I just drafted here.
What is it?
Take a look.
This is a letter of authorization.
Yes. You are authorizing the bank to shift all the funds to my name. Meaning, you will not be signatory to the account anymore.
Why on earth would I want to sign the whole money to you?
For 2 reasons. 1, I'm going to be your husband and you are carrying my baby. 2, I expose us to the police. And you know I can do that, right? Because I have nothing to lose.
You really think you have nothing to lose?
Of course. I I have nothing to lose. At the end of the day, the both of us will go down together. And even the best lawyer can't even save you from it. Or are you going to explain to the police that we are not lovers? No, you can't. It's already on record at the hospital that you are carrying my baby.
You don't realize that you could lose me and the child?
Well, if we both sink, means no other person gonna take you.
Okay, but you have to give me time to go through this. I mean, if we're going to spend the rest of our lives together, you have to trust me.
Well, I don't know what you're up to, but I think you're beginning to gain mood by staying on my side. Whatever ways. I don't care. I just want you to know that I'll be watching. Here. Don't forget to sign. Good. You've not signed the document.
No.
Why?
I'm weighing the options.
You don't have no option. I'm only trying to make sure you don't do anything stupid.
What's the guarantee that immediately the money gets to your hand, you will not do it with me like you did to the others?
What kind of thought is that? Why did you say so? John, I'm listening to you. What makes you think I'll kill you?
Because you've stopped me from doing virtually everything. My parents want to see me, but you won't let them see me. It means you want to murder me in cold blood the way you murdered my husband and the gate man.
Now you're beginning to get me angry. And believe me, when I get angry, I do things without thinking.
Is that why you killed my husband? Because he walked in and saw you trying to rape me?
Stop saying I murdered him. It was an accident. As a matter of fact, he shouldn't have walked in when he did. And besides, he betrayed me by coming behind my back to marry you.
There was nothing between you and I, Gilbert, and you know it.
Oh no, I had intentions to come after you when I returned.
That's not enough reason why you murdered Angel and the gate man. Obi and Angel were innocent. They knew nothing.
Stop talking to me like that. We've been through this a couple of times. Now, Obi died because he would have told the police the truth. The robbery didn't go on here. That phone. Stop me, come on.
Stop, get away from me. I'll kill you.
You saw me.
Leave me now.
It's okay, madam. It's okay. We heard everything. It's okay. It's over. It's okay. Calm down. Calm down. Are you alright?
My life is shattered for a man of love. Oh. It's always for tears, it's always for tears. The heart of a widow is always for tears. It's always. I've got a friend, but I'm a better friend. Oh, my friend is my brother, a brother so dear to me, but in my stead. He took my lady, the only woman I've sworn to love. I am hurt, I want my baby. I'm doing all this to get her back. Oh, it should be me, holding you, holding you, holding you, my love. It should be me, loving you, baby, loving you, my love. It should be me, hugging you, hugging you, hugging you, my love. It should be me, kissing you, baby, kissing you, my love. One step at a time, what goes up must surely come down. I'll follow you till I see my baby is mine. No one can stop the fire that's burning because of you. No one can know the way I am feeling, feeling because of you. I am hurt deeply, I am hurt. I want my baby, I'm the man, you know that. I am just the right man for you. It should be me, holding you, holding you, holding you, my love. It should be me, loving you, loving you, loving you, my love. It should be me, hugging you, baby,